A guide you to turn off watch history on YouTube. So let's see how to turn off watch history. Now let's say if you are on your YouTube app and you have seen this video. Now you could see I have seen this video and I could scroll down to find many of the videos like this, and now I have viewed those. Now if I need to see that turn off watch history, you can tap on your profile, which means you. Here you could see I have just watched 3 shots and that will be visible here. And for turning off watch history, you need to tap on the settings, which is the gear icon. There you need to scroll down to find manage all history. And in that, you could go to your all YouTube history here. From there, you need to tap on saving your YouTube history here like this. And just tapping on that, it will take you to the page of the controls from where you can turn off watch history. Now let's say that is turned on now. You just tap on turn off, which is beside that. And by tapping on that, you can pause your YouTube history like this and pause. From there, you can delete your old activity, or otherwise you can simply just leave and got it. So from here you could see that has been off and that was being updated on the specific date. You could see that specific date too. This is how you turn off watch history on YouTube. Thank you.